In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add products to Featured Collection on Shopify. To begin, sign into your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, go to Products and then select Collections. This is where Shopify keeps all of the groups of products that you display across your store, including collections that appear on your homepage. Next, find and click the name of your featured collection. Many stores label this collection something like Homepage, but the exact name can vary depending on how your store was set up. Once you open the collection, scroll until you see the Products section. This area controls which items show inside that collection. Now you will add the products you want featured. In the Products section, you can use the search field to quickly find a specific product by name. If you prefer, click Browse to view and select from your full product list. As you choose items, make sure you are selecting the exact product versions you want customers to see, especially if you have similar names or multiple related products. After you have added the right items, click Save. Saving here is important because the theme can only display what is actually saved in the collection. With the collection updated, it is time to confirm that your homepage is pointing to the correct collection. Go back to the left-hand menu and open Online Store, then choose Themes. Find your current theme and click Customize. This opens the theme editor where you can control what appears on the homepage. Inside the homepage template, locate the Featured Collection section. You may need to scroll through the sections list until you see it. Click that section to open its settings in the sidebar. In the sidebar settings, look for the collection option and make sure it is set to the same collection you just edited. This step connects the homepage display to the correct collection in your admin. Finally, click Save in the theme editor to publish the change. And that covers everything you need to know.